Hey, everyone. In this video we're going to take an in-depth look at the LG TV remote control functions. Accessories. Magic remote and alkaline batteries. Owner's manual. Specifications. Remote description. Installing batteries. Press the top of the battery cover, slide it back, and lift the cover as shown below. To replace batteries, open the battery cover, replace alkaline batteries 1.5V, AA matching and ends to the label inside the compartment, and close the battery cover. Be sure to point the remote control at the remote control sensor on the TV. To remove the batteries, perform the installation actions in reverse. Don't mix old or used batteries with new ones. Close the cover securely. Open the battery cover to find the label. Using how to register, pair, or deregister, unpair. How to register and pair the Magic Remote. To use the Magic Remote, first pair it with your TV. Put batteries into the Magic Remote and turn the TV on. Point the Magic Remote at your TV and press the wheel OK on the remote control. If the TV fails to register the Magic Remote, try again after turning the TV off and back on. How to deregister, unpair the Magic Remote. Press and hold the home and back buttons at the same time for 5 seconds to unpair the Magic Remote with your TV. Pressing and holding the button will let you cancel and re-register Magic Remote at once. How to use. Shake the Magic Remote slightly to the right and left or press Home, Input, or Q settings buttons to make the pointer appear on the screen. In some TV models, the pointer will appear when you turn the wheel OK button. If the pointer has not been used for a certain period or Magic Remote is placed on a flat surface, then the pointer will disappear. If the pointer is not responding smoothly, you can reset the pointer by moving it to the edge of the screen. The Magic Remote depletes batteries faster than a normal remote due to the additional features. Precautions. Use the remote control within the specified range within 10 meters. You may experience communication failures when using the device outside the coverage area or if there are obstacles within the coverage area. You may experience communication failures depending on the accessories. Devices such as a microwave oven and wireless LAN operate in the same frequency band 2.4 GHz as the Magic Remote. This may cause communication failures. The Magic Remote may not work properly if a wireless router AP is within 0.2 meters of the TV. Your wireless router should be more than 0.2 meters away from the TV. Do not disassemble or heat the batteries. Do not drop the battery. Avoid extreme shocks to the battery. Inserting a battery in the wrong way may result in an explosion. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.